What if perfection could fit in the palm of your hand? What if one camera could see the world exactly as your eyes do, without delay, without compromise, and without excuses? The Leica Q4 isn't just another camera launch, it's a declaration. A statement to the entire industry that beauty, power, and precision can live together in one frame, in one lens, in one unforgettable moment. In this video, we'll take you deep into the Leica Q4. We'll explore its features, its design, the story behind its evolution, and, most importantly, why this might be the most inspiring camera of 2025. But before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Here, we don't chase camera rumors. We craft stories that matter to digital creators like you. Before we talk about the Q4, we have to understand what it means to carry the letter Q. Leica's Q series has always stood for purity. One fixed lens, one full-frame sensor, a design carved from tradition, not trends. The Leica Q2 became a cult favorite, adored by street photographers in Tokyo, portrait shooters in Paris, and filmmakers in Berlin. But its success wasn't just because of its specifications. It was because of the soul it carried. It made photography feel emotional again. Now, with the Q4, Leica hasn't simply upgraded the specs. They've evolved the entire experience. This isn't just the next Q. It's the best version of what Leica has always believed a compact should be. Focused, simple, and utterly unforgettable. At the core of the Leica Q4 lies a 60-megapixel, full-frame, BSI CMOS sensor. But this sensor isn't about raw numbers. It's about emotional clarity. Each pixel tells a richer story, capturing details that feel alive. Whether you're photographing the sun rising over Iceland's fjords or a dancer leaping across a shadowed stage, this sensor responds with sensitivity and grace. Because of the backside illuminated architecture, the sensor offers vastly improved low-light performance, a broader dynamic range, and exceptionally clean images at high ISO settings. Even at ISO 6400, noise is minimal and shadows stay intact. In essence, the Q4 doesn't just see the light, it respects it. The Leica Q4 continues the tradition of using a fixed 28mm Summilux lens, a design loved for its honesty and versatility. But in this new version, the lens is sharper, faster, and more cinematic than ever. Leica has enhanced the optical coatings to reduce flare, improved edge sharpness, and redesigned autofocus for quicker, more precise focusing. Why 28mm? Because it's a storytelling lens. It's wide enough to capture full scenes, but not so wide that it distorts perspective. Whether you're shooting intimate street portraits, dramatic landscapes, or cinematic frames in natural light, this lens becomes your visual voice. Leica has also improved macro capabilities, allowing you to get much closer to your subject than ever before. It's not just a lens, it's your entire visual toolkit. With the Q4, Leica finally steps confidently into hybrid territory, giving filmmakers the tools they've been asking for. This compact powerhouse now supports 8K video recording at 30 frames per second and 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow-motion footage. It also allows for 10-bit internal color depth and offers built-in log profiles for serious color grading in post. For content creators, this means complete creative control in a camera that fits in your pocket. There's no need for external monitors or clunky rigs. The Q4 supports LUT previews directly in camera and provide the new microphone input for cleaner, professional-grade audio. Whether you're filming a music video in an abandoned warehouse or capturing cinematic B-roll on the go, the Leica Q4 gives you the freedom to shoot professionally, without the burden of extra gear. The Q4's Viewfinder experience has also been elevated. It features a stunning 5.76 million OLED EVF that feels almost like looking at reality. There's no noticeable lag or delay, just immersive clarity that lets you preview exactly how your exposure and colors will appear in the final image. For the first time in the Q series, Leica has added a fully articulating rear LCD screen. This makes a huge difference for vloggers, low-angle street shooters, high-angle architectural work, and especially vertical content creators who need more flexible framing options. And of course, the iconic Leica design remains intact. Machined from magnesium alloy, weather-sealed for professional durability, and finished in classic black or silver chrome. There's no branding screaming for attention, just quiet confidence. Leica Q4 brings subtle intelligence into its shooting experience without removing the tactile feel that purists love. It features AI-powered autofocus that intelligently tracks faces, eyes, and even animals across the frame. Subject detection is faster and smarter than ever, locking onto movement instantly without feeling invasive or robotic. The new Leica Photos 3.0 app integration enables seamless wireless transfer of RAW and JPEG files, remote shooting via smartphone, and even automatic cloud backup to Adobe Lightroom. In an era where speed and delivery are critical, the Q4 gives you the ability to shoot, edit, and publish, all while traveling, without the need for a laptop or workstation. This is next-generation mobility for the serious creator. Picture yourself in Istanbul. Fog rolls gently over the Bosphorus Bridge as the golden sun begins to rise. You're walking through the quiet streets, the Q4 hanging lightly from your shoulder. You lift it to your eye. One click, you just captured a scene that feels like a painting, soft, timeless, and alive. Now, jump to Tokyo. Neon signs flood Shibuya Crossing. People swirl in every direction, but you spot something still, a lone figure under a street lamp, pausing in the crowd. Your Leica Q4 sees it too. You click, and just like that, you've frozen a story no one else noticed. This camera doesn't need you to plan. It just needs you to look, and it will do the rest. Now let's talk about price. The Leica Q4 is expected to launch at $5,995. That's not a budget price. But then again, Leica doesn't compete in the world of short-term upgrades. It plays in the world of legacy. The Q4 is not a camera you replace next year. It's a tool you master, carry, and eventually pass down. For creators who believe in fewer tools that do more, who care about quality over quantity, and who want their gear to enhance, not interrupt, their vision, this price makes sense. It's not just a product. It's a partnership with your process. So, is the Leica Q4 the best compact camera ever made? That depends on what you value. Do you want versatility, or do you prefer focus? Do you want gadgets or glass? Do you chase megapixels, or are you seeking magic? One thing is clear. The Leica Q4 isn't made for everyone. But for those who understand it, it might be everything. Let us know in the comments. Would you choose the Leica Q4 over Sony or Canon? Is the fixed lens a limitation for you, or a creative liberation? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a fellow creator who still believes in the soul of photography. Because on this channel, we don't just unbox gear, we unlock stories.